Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off your Motorola phone and keep it off without the touch screen. So the easiest way to do this is just simply look at the volume key and the power button. Hold down the power button and volume down. So let's do this now. And after about 10 to 15 seconds your phone is going to turn off and it's going to boot into the recovery screen. So we can just hold this down. Keep holding down those two buttons. And then we can go on down to where it says recovery mode. Or we got the option just to power it off right here. We can just do this. Tap the power button. And boom, our Motorola phone is now turned off. All we have to do is press the power button and turn it back on. If it restarts back into that recovery screen, just use the volume keys and go back up to restart. And you should be able to start your phone like normal. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.